What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I'm here in Five Below, and yes, I just filmed a video in here, but I have to share more with you guys because you know they always have so many pretty things and cute things and new things in here, and this is definitely something that caught my eye. These are the cute and cuddly, like stuffed animals. I love them so much. This one looks like he's in a pineapple. They have the cute popcorn, the unicorn, like ice cream cone. They're calling it an ice cream-corn. I just love these. And you guys, I know you guys love these down here too. They have the super jumbo family size bags of Sour Patch Kids. Okay, my mouth is watering, you guys, because this is one of my favorite. I love the watermelon Sour Patch Kids. I just wanted to show you guys these rounders before we head back to makeup. JoJo's things are over here. This is a nice little kit. You get 4 lippies, 2 nail polishes, and some stickers for $5. And you get a cute little collectible keepsake tin, 2 lip balms, and 2 glitter polishes for $5. A cupcake scented jumbo bath bomb. I believe all of these are $5. Oh, this one comes with fashion nails, a polish, a lip balm, stickers, and a little like hair extension. We have Beyblades up here for $5. The swords, the super humongous orb oddities balls, and these are so heavy, you guys. They have pink, they have blue, they have green. $5 for a bunch of glow sticks. The super flying discs for $5. The $5 wireless speakers. Look at that cute cactus. We also have llamas. And this one, they're calling it tribal. And this one is geometric. I really do like the wireless speakers from here. They have some that you can put in your shower too, and I really do like it. You guys look, also, don't forget to check out their tech area because they have tons of stuff for $5, you guys. This is the cheapest place you can go to get lightning cables and phone cases and stuff like that. They still have some of the waterproof pouches if you guys still have some summer vacation fun to be had. $5 for these. This is my first time seeing this. This is the hands-free tablet stand. Watch videos and movies hands-free. Tablet not included. Don't get your hopes up, right? Just $5. And then some more summer toys. But all right, you guys, let's go ahead and head back to makeup. You guys, I got a lot of things to show you guys. Hopefully we'll find some new makeup, maybe some new fragrances for the week. But anyways, you guys, it's always so much fun coming in here, coming into Five Below, because you never know what you're gonna find. And hey, you guys, feel free to let me know down in the comments what you guys might wanna see in the next video. Do you wanna see room decor? What exactly do you wanna see? I'm here to show you guys what you wanna see. But okay, you guys, let's see if we can find anything new back here in makeup. Okay, what's new this week? I love that they carry the little kits here year round. These would always be perfect for birthdays. My son, my youngest son, really likes colognes and he rarely wears them. But to the boy that likes wallets and colognes and hats and accessories, these are really nice for $5. They have Black Panther, they have Spider-Man, and Avengers. Okay. Let's see if we have any new fragrances. I really like how this smells. I got this last week, you guys. This is a dupe for Gucci Absolute. This is Guest Supreme by Mirage. Again, this is a Gucci Absolute men's scent. And yes, it's a dupe and it smells really nice. My all-time favorite. To those of you that watch me all the time, you're probably sick of me talking about it, but I love this so much. This is a Kim Kardashian dupe. I love it. Yummy or Gross, Ryan's World Lip Balm Challenge. 8 flavored lip balms. Okay, I wonder what flavors we can possibly get. Does anyone know? Let me know down in the comments if you guys have tried this Yummy or Gross lip balm set by Ryan's World. I am really curious to know what flavors are in there. Look, you guys, an 8-pack for $5, also by Ryan's World. And these are brand new. Toy Story 4. Super cute lip balms. You get 5 of them. There's a lot of lip balms over here. Shimmer and Shine. More from Toy Story 4. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7? Yeah, 7 in a pack. I was expecting 8. The jumbo ones by Shimmer and Shine, the emoji ones. I think these ones by LOL are brand new. 8 of them for $5. I love the packaging. They also have fingerlings, Tsum Tsum, Despicable Me 3. You can't go anywhere without seeing Frozen. Frozen is everywhere, and so is JoJo. JoJo, where are your lip balms? I don't actually think JoJo, oh no, she does. She does, you guys. I take it back. JoJo has some lip balms right here. They probably belong right here next to her body spray though. Yeah, you guys, so that's a look at the lip balms. And then they have some sets down here as well. They have this LOL Surprise Beauty set for $5 and some more for $5 that come in this little cute tumbler with stickers, 2 lippies, and 2 polishes. Sweetheart Kissed. Okay, this is a dupe for Victoria's Secret Love. Okay, you guys, let's smell it. You ready? 3, 2, 1, spray. And smell. That smells kind of nice. Yeah, I like that. I'm not going to say it smells super young, but I really do like that. Again, that is called Sweetheart Kissed, and it's a dupe for Victoria's Secret Love, and it is an eau de parfum, which means it's a little bit stronger than your typical eau de toilette, which is more light and maybe not lasting as long. Okay, you guys, let's see if we have anything new in makeup. We always come to makeup, don't we? Some of these Color Co items I showed in my last video here. The primer, the setting spray, the micellar water, the facial mist, and the 2-pack Superhero Mascara. And it also comes with a mascara top coat. Those are new. This is also new, you guys, by Color Co. It's the Glow Getter Mega Moisture Sheet Mask Set. And you get 5. That's a tongue twister. Okay, you guys, I'm really not seeing anything new besides that makeup I showed last week. I feel like some of these Wet n Wild Mega Cushions might be new. This is a foundation, a liquid foundation in a cushion compact. These are $4.99. And Wet n Wild is always stocked up pretty nicely here, you guys. They have mascaras, they have lippies, lip glosses, they have the cute little lip scrubs. Those are $3.99. They have eyeliner, really affordable makeup brushes. I feel like this might be new. This is a retractable brow pencil for $3.99. They also have waterproof liquid eyeliner. Face wipes. Those are actually makeup remover wipes, not just face wipes. They have a lot here, you guys. So if you love Wet n Wild, definitely check out their selection. Okay, let's do one final look over here, you guys, by the nails, because I am seeing some new fashion nails. This set is really cute and bright. I love that red. It's almost like a neon red. That's $5, and you get 24 nails. You get the adhesive tabs, and you get an applicator and glue. $5 for those. I think these are brand new too. This is a $4 set. They also have some $3 sets. I've gotten a couple of these, but you guys, I haven't tried them yet. I got some nail polish remover last week just in case I try like an acrylic dip kit, because I'm really interested and maybe putting some acrylic over my own nails. It's been years since I've done my own nails, but I used to do my own fills. I wasn't really the best, but I kind of want to give it a try again. But I also am interested in trying some of the nails that they have here. Okay, what polish have I tried lately? In my last Five Below haul, you guys saw me try this. I did 2 coats of this. It was really pretty. It did remind me of some of my other polishes that I had, but I do really like this Funky Fingers brand. And I also love their brand Fresh Paint. I feel like it's pretty long lasting. That's what I'm wearing right now. I'm wearing the Funky Fingers white. I think they're totally sold out. I'm glad I bought 2 last time. They were kind of running low. Ooh, you guys, these are new. New lip scrubs. We have cherry, strawberry, and coconut. These are all lip scrubs for $5. Each one is 1.76 ounces or 50 grams. You guys, new makeup, look. Ultraviolet, this is brand new. Wow, this is new also. This is also new, you guys. This is a glossy tinted lip balm. Funfetti, Orange Crush, Rose Candy, Cherry Bomb, and Caramel Kiss. And you get a lot of product. You guys, this is super heavy. Super, super heavy. Also by the brand Color Co. Hold up, you guys. We have new palettes. Look, you guys, we have a new palette by Color Co. It's called Flawless Contour for Eyes, Brows, and Face. That's what it looks like. We also have Faux Glow. I like the design of this. I like the little shape they put in there. And then we also have setting powder, and the setting powder is $4. The palette is super pretty. Just a basic setting powder. And then I think these other ones, yeah, these have been here, you guys. The Lip Wonderland Pinks and the Lip Wonderland Nudes. They've been here. But we have one other new thing. No, actually 3 other new things down here. We have the Big Kiss Hydrating Lip Masks. You get 3 of them for $2. We also have a new pack of matte lippies by Color Co. for $5. Nice. And we have this one, and they're calling this one Glossy Full, and everything is super glossy and pretty and girly. We have mostly pinks, and then one sort of like apricot peach color. Wow, what do you guys think? I showed you guys this one, I believe it was last week, or maybe 2 weeks ago, the Hollow Glam. I really like how we get 8 different shades. Wow, you guys, that was totally unexpected. Every week here in Five Below, you just don't know what to expect. You know you're gonna see some new things. So you guys make sure you're coming in here at least once a week, because you never know what you'll find. It's been a minute, but I wanted to look at these 2 because these are super cute. They're $5 each. They're very heavy. They feel like a very heavy coffee cup, but I think they're so cute. And some of them are new over here. We have the Kiss Me, but then we also have the Wake Up and Makeup. Be Your Own Kind of Beautiful. Girls Do It Better. I love the cute little lip prints. Be As Bold As Your Lipstick. And then we have a cute little kitty down here with ears. Now, this doesn't have to hold your makeup brushes if you're not wearing makeup yet. You could put pens in there. You could put whatever you want in here. Pretty little things. I really, really love this one. I'm gonna have to get this one at some point. It says, "Good morning, gorgeous." Look at that with the pretty pink lips and the eyelashes. I just love this one. And it's black on the inside. All of them are black on the inside. And it says tri-coastal design. It's food safe. So if for whatever reason you want to turn this into a cup, that's okay. You guys can go ahead and do that. Maybe turn it into an ice cream cup or an oatmeal cup or something like that that you use every morning. Well, hey you guys, that's it for me here in Five Below. If you guys enjoyed coming along, just go ahead and show me that you did by hitting the thumbs up button. Share with me down in the comments below, and if you haven't yet, hit that little button to subscribe. Well, alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.